and its characteristics, examples, and usage. Chaturthi Tatpurushaha. So, as per the rule, the Purvapada should be a Chaturthyanta Shabda and it should have Bali Hita Sukha Rakshita. Very important. For example, Bhutebhyaha Balihi, Bhuta Balihi, the Bali for the Bhutas. Gave Hitam, Go Hitam, that which is good for the cows. Swajanebhyaha Sukham, Swajana Sukham, Swajana Sukham, that which gives happiness, or happiness for, it is not that which gives happiness for the Swajana or relatives. Shishave Rakshitam, Shishu Rakshitam, reserved for the Shishu, saved for the Shishu. Now, in these examples, you have the Balihita Sukha Rakshita words along with the Chaturthyanta. So there is a Chaturthi Tatpurusha Samasa. This is rule 1. Now rule 2 is a Chaturthyanta with Artha Shabda. Very important. Putraya ayam putrarthaha. Putrarthaha ashvaha. Suppose you have something in mind. You have ashva in mind. You have a horse which you want to give to your son. Putrarthaha ashvaha. Now Chatraya idam. Suppose you want to give a book to the student. Chatrartham pustakam. Chatraya idam. So the Vigraha Vakya and the Samastapada, please observe. Chatrartham is the Vigraha, is the Samastapada. If the Vigraha Vakya is Chatraya idam. Sambhashanaya iyam. Sambhashanartha bhasha. Fit for conversation. This Artha Shabda here does not mean meaning. It means for the sake of. For the sake of. So Putraya ayam, for the sake of the son. Chatrartham, for the sake of the student. Sambhashanartha, for the sake of conversation or communication. Now, the Artha Shabda will follow the Linga in this case, in this exclusive case, of the object that you are having in mind, which you want to give for the sake of some person. Putrartha, Chatrartham, Sambhashanartha. So, ayam in Pullinga, idam in Napumsakalinga, iyam in Strilinga. We should watch the Linga of the Vigraha and the Samastapada also. Balebhyaha imani, balarthani phalani. So even the Vachana also is like that. Suppose if you are having more fruits to be given for the sake of the boys, then balebhyaha imani balarthani phalani. Now here this is a rule 3 of Chaturthi Tatpurusha Samasa. Here we introduce something called as Prakriti Vikriti Bhava. What is Prakriti Vikriti Bhava? When there is a Prakriti Vikriti Bhava, Chaturthi Tatpurusha Samasa occurs. What is Prakriti? Prakriti is the crude form of a dravya or something. Now Vikriti is the transformation which occurs in that crude form. For example, Suvarna or the gold is the Prakriti. It is then transformed into Kundala, which is worn on the ears. Now Kundala is the Vikriti, Suvarna is the Prakriti. Now hence we have a Samasa here as per this rule of Chaturthi Tatpurusha, which says gold for the ear. Kundalaya Suvarnam. Kundalaya Suvarnam. Kundalaya Hiranyam. Kundala Hiranyam. Or Kundala Suvarnam. Now this Samasa comes only when Prakriti Vikriti Bhava is there. Now for example, if you give a toy for a child, now the toy, there is no transformation. Vatsaya Kridanakam, toy for the boy or for the child. Now the Kridanakam, Vatsaya Kridanakam, we can do Vyasta Prayoga. It can be a sentence, it can be two independent words, but we cannot make it Vatsa the Kridanaka as a Samasa because there is no Prakriti Vikriti Bhava. That means the Kridanaka, once it reaches the hand of the child, assuming that the child is a good child and is not a naughty child, the toy does not get transformed. It plays with the toy. So we do not have a samasa here, Chaturthi Tatpurusha Samasa here. The most popular example that is told in Chaturthi Tatpurusha is Kundalaya Suvarnam. Okay. Now, Kundalaya Hiranyam or Kundalaya Suvarnam in for Prakriti Vikriti Bhava. Now let us take the another example called Gurave Dakshina. All of us give Dakshina to our gurus. Gurave Dakshina. Here what happens to the Dakshina that you give to the guru? Dakshina is used taken by the guru. It does, suddenly the note does not become a coin or something. The coin will not become a note. So there is no transformation. So Gurave Dakshina, if there is no Prakriti Vikriti Bhava, we are not supposed to use Gurave Dakshina is equal to Guru Dakshina. So Gurave Dakshina is a Vyasta Prayoga, is a sentence Prayoga. It can be used. But the Samasa cannot, Guru Dakshina cannot be told as Gurave Dakshina. The Vigraha Vakya for the Samasa Guru Dakshina is not Gurave Dakshina, Dakshina for the Guru. Because the Chaturthi rule says if you have a Prakriti Vikriti Bhava, then only you can use Chaturthi. So the ideal Samasa for Guru Dakshina is Guroho Dakshina and not Gurave Dakshina. Guroho Dakshina is Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. So please note this particular example. Guru Dakshina. Guru Dakshina, if you are using a Samastapada, the Vigraha Vakya is Guroho Dakshina and not Gurave Dakshina, because there is no Prakriti Vikriti Bhava in the Dakshina that is given to the Guru. So Prakriti Vikriti Bhavaha Nasti Chet Chaturthi Tatpurusha Samasaha Nabhavati. Let us do some examples. Veena Honati.
Namaskaram Mahodaya. Rashtraya hitam rashtrahitam. Mahilabhyah hitam mahilahitam. Kulaya hitam kulahitam. Sarvebhyah hitam sarvahitam. Sahrudbhyah hitam savrudhitam. Suvrudhitam. Atmane hitam atmahitam. Rogine hitam rogihitam. Vishaje hitam bishajhitam. Bishajhitam.
Bishaj, what is the Pratiparika for Bishaj?
Bishaj eva asti va? Bishadhitam.
Bishaj plus hitam.
Bishadhitam.
Bishaj will become Bishak. After it becomes Bishak, fourth letter, Bishadhitam. Hakara will convert to fourth letter and third letter, Bishak.
Bishadhitam.
Okay, Dhanyavadaha. Let us note for hitam, we should note the sandhis. Pragya.
Ashvaya ayam ghasaha. Ghasaha. Ashvardaha ghasaha.
Ashvartaha. Very good. Ashvartaha ghasaha. Okay.
Vidvadhyaha iyam dakshina. Vidvardha dakshina.
Vidvadartha.
Bhagavate imani karmani.
Bhagavadarthani karmani.
Bhagavadarthani karmani. Samskritaya iyam seva. Samskritartha seva. Rishyai ayam japaha. Rishyartha japaha.
Prishtyartaha japaha. So japa for the rains. Samskritaya iyam seva. I think all of you understood the meanings of this samasa.